Hello everybody, welcome to today's tutorial, and in today's tutorial I'll be teaching you how to extract, sort, and organize contents from a website. Basically what we'll be doing is we will be scraping a website using Python, extracting it to learn how to reformat it to Markdown. Some prerequisites or prerequisites before you start: you need Python installed on your system. You can just do that sudo apt install Python 3.11. That's the latest version of Python, I believe. And you also need a terminal for this. My favorite terminal is Kitty, so you can just type in sudo apt install Kitty. Wget is optional if you want to use the terminal to download the script from Github, and if you don't have that and you want to try it, you can use sudo apt install wget. And we'll be using a command line tool called Grep to sort through our output, which it's pretty much installed on every Linux system, but you can install that with sudo apt install grep. And then here we have our URLs. And also in order for the script to work, you're going to need these. I accidentally made this the pip. We're going to need beutifulsoup for extracting the website and requests for handling from the script to the website. And then we're going to need pandoc to reformat to Markdown. So in order to get my script, you're just going to copy this URL. I'll have all these URLs in the description. You're just going to go to your browser of your choice. I'm using Thorium, and you can just go there and we'll see all these. So first, I'm going to download the script using Wget. So you're just going to hit copy link address. You're going to open your terminal, and you're going to I'm going to cd to my desktop really quick, and you're just going to type in wget and then Control-Shift-V the URL, and then you're going to download the URL. And if you don't want to use Wget, you can just click on it. You can just click on the article scrape.py and then just click this little download raw file button. Next, we're going to get the usemd, which is basically some documentation I have on my web scraping, and we're just going to do that to wget and then the URL, and we're going to download that. And those are both saved on our desktop. Also, as we said, remember to install those modules using pip. Just paste that in your terminal and sudo apt install pandoc. I already have pandoc installed, so we're just going to skip that for now. Now that we're here on our desktop, you can see article scrape.py. For me, it says 1 when I use the wget because I already have it, but for you, it's not. So you can just open the article scrape.py. And you're just going to go to your terminal. I'm going to have it snapped to the side here. Like this. Fix that. You're going to type in Python 3 to run the script. Oh, wait. I need to open use.md. This is our little documentation. So this is our, I want to open that with Genie or text pieces. I'm gonna open that with Genie. Okay, so since we're having some weird thing going on with this script, the usemd, just click on it, just download the raw file to your desktop. Replace. And now just right click, open with Genie. There we go. So here's the documentation for how to use the script, and we're going to go through it. So this is for the advanced scrape that I did, but we're not going to use that one. We're going to be starting here on line 14 to extract everything as plain text. To extract it, you're just going to type Python 3 article-scrape.py. And then if you want to save it to a file, you can just type in the name. I'm going to do it file.txt. and it can save it to a file called file.txt. And if we nano into file.txt, you can see the scrape of the URL I have. The current URL I have is just a little C# course, and I just copied. Now you can clear your terminal, and you have successfully scraped the website. Now let's say we want to search for a certain part of the article. We're just going to go ahead and copy this command, Control-Shift-V, and article scrape.py/grep. And what keyword do we want to search? I'm going to search for C#. And now it's grephed for, where did the grep go? Let's try just C. Oh, yeah, okay, we can't use symbols. Now you can see the highlight of every time a C comes up, which is a lot. And if you want to save that output, just do the same command again, do the little arrow, and then just type in new_file, whatever you want to name it, .text. And now we can nano into new_file.text. And then you can see that file. So go ahead and exit. Now, so I just showed you the without the key and saving it. And now if you want to automatically have the markdown syntax, you want to install that. And if you want to do that, you just do the same command, article scrape, and then you just type in the arrow, and then you type in foil.text, and then you can do and which is a new command in the same line, and do pandoc. I forgot the -o. I'll fix that. Pandoc -o foil.text. Do that. It'll save the file, and then pandoc will convert it. Wait. Oh. Yeah. So basically we want to do this. Foil the file into a .markdown. That's what we want to do. And it'll go through and scan through all the contents and turn it into a markdown file. Oh, you know what? That's why it's not working. Oh, wait, yeah, I do have the O flag. And that has done that. And then you can do the same thing with the grep. So you just do Python 3, and then you do article -scrape.py, and then you grep for C. You put that into a file, and then you can do and do pandoc foo.text, and then you can use the pandoc maybe I put the dash on the wrong spot. Pandoc -o and foo.text into foo.md. And woohoo, you have done it. So that was how you can extract and sort and organize the contents of a website using Python, these models, using grep, and pandoc. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe, and go into the description and check out my open source projects I'm working on, and I'll see you over there.